Hi, I'm Kwabna Dankwa, an MPH candidate at the Johns Hopkins University. One thing that transformed my studies in medical school was when I became more intentional about learning from other people's experiences. So before every year or rotation, I would engage in a one-on-one with a senior or a colleague that just completed a rotation. And along with their guidance, I would ensure that I had two specific questions answered. One, what makes things easier for that specific year or rotation? And then two, what mistakes should I avoid? Yes, I know that usually before a year or rotation, there are group orientation sessions and maybe orientations for the class and all that, which are very, very helpful. However, going that extra mile to have a one-on-one with someone who serves as a coach makes a big difference. So my advice is this: be very intentional about being coached. And of course, once you're a step ahead of a colleague, someone you can help, do offer that helping hand as well to make that person's journey smoother. I strongly believe that simple step will make your medical education journey smoother and more enjoyable.